Welcome once again. Let's talk about Terra Classic coin. Now remember, Binance will be resuming their Terra Classic burning, and I'm hoping to see this burning this time around increase massively than what Binance have been burning before. Now Binance can burn billions of Terra Classic, although they have been burning billions, but I'm talking about burning the billions of Terra Classic in a week. Now Terra Classic has have a lot to go. Terra Classic with Binance, this coin is set to really increase to hit 1 penny, to hit 1 cent. Now with Binance, and I think if this is a time, I think Terra Classic developers need to really work with other developers to join Binance in the burning of Terra Classic, because if they can start burning just like Binance, it's going to help Terra Classic coin. Okay, now for me, I think that Terra Classic still need that large audience. For now, when you take a look at Terra Classic transfers, when you take a look at Terra Classic holders, I think the holders of Terra Classic is still not that compared to other crypto coins. So if Terra Classic, they need more holders, and with more holders coming in, it's going to help the point of Terra Classic, because remember, once people are buying Terra Classic, the 1.2% tax bond will be charged, and that will definitely help the burning of Terra Classic. Now if Terra Classic can gain more exchanges, for example, we are talking about Binance US, although Binance US very soon might be listing Terra Classic, and then we're talking about Coinbase listing this coin and Robinhood. Now Terra Classic will definitely have more holders, more people will be creating wallets, more people will buy Terra Classic, the trading will be very high, and then of course the daily volume will definitely increase, and when the daily volume increase, Terra Classic will definitely burn more coins. But it all depends on the exchange most these holders are using, because for now not all the exchanges are burning, but mostly Binance have been burning before they stop burning. But right now Binance wants to resume the burning of Terra Classic. So, and Binance have been controlling almost 40 to 47% of Terra Classic coin based on daily volume, and I still believe that CZ is going to do a lot of things to help this coin. Right now you want to resume burning. That will tell you how serious Binance are taking towards helping towards pushing Terra Classic coin to really increase in price. Now I still believe that this year this coin there's a possibility of this coin hitting 1 cent, and now I believe if they can burn up to 1 or over 1 trillion coins this year 2023, imagine Terra Classic burning 1 or 2 trillion coins, we'll be left with about 3 trillion coins. And if the staking also increase just like the way it increased last year massively, Terra Classic might end the year having just 2 or maximum 3 trillion coins, which will definitely push the coin to hit over 1,000 to 5,000%. And also, if Terra Classic will gain more exchanges that have not listed this coin to work to partner with Terra Classic, and I still believe that this coin is going to increase. Though we all know what happened to Terra Classic, but we're happy to see more people are showing support, more coders in the community are amazing. They are really showing great support for Terra Classic. Despite what happened to Terra Classic, the community are amazing, trying to show support to see that this coin bounce back. Now I still believe that if you can get some people support, when you talk about Elon Musk, remember very soon we're expecting Elon Musk to accept crypto-based payment for Twitter. Of course, crypto-based payment for Twitter. He's one of the biggest fans of Dogecoin. So a lot of people believe Elon Musk will be accepting Bitcoin, he will be accepting Ethereum, then Dogecoin, maybe Bitcoin Cash or Litecoin as Twitter-based payment. Now imagine him supporting some of other small cap coins. Although I believe that if Twitter can accept crypto-based payment, definitely is going to help crypto industry this year to massively increase in price. And if many companies can also start accepting crypto, no, there are so many lists of so many companies. As of last year, we recorded so many companies that started accepting crypto-based payments. And of course, I've been using crypto to make payments with some companies. Sometimes when I want to buy domains, sometimes I want to buy hosting on email. There's so many things that I discovered that you can buy. Even there's some site I saw that you can even purchase items just like talk about Amazon. So there's some site like Amazon you cannot buy, you cannot pay with Shiba Inu, with Bitcoin, with Ethereum. So I believe we are progressing gradually. The time will come when many companies will now accept crypto-based payments, which is going to help crypto industry to really increase in price. But thank God for Terra Classic, they have gotten the support of Binance founder CZ, and this coin is set to hit 1 cent, 1 penny, and by the time this coin hits such level, so many people will be making a lot of money. Now remember, this is not a financial advice, so please kindly do your own research before taking any decision.